Hey everyone, I want to share you about the safety wedding. If you are the weber, you must check about the smoke extractor. If not possible, must be a quick dressing to protect our body and protect about the about the arm, about the food, about the group. Then have Luften. You can we about the air supply. Throw in fresh air, throw out back air. It is carbon monoxide. They give off to incomplete. That that we used the fume mass extraction and we take out carbon monoxide off from the weather. Yes, I want to say about all this so you understand what you say, what you do in machine, and then hey, the electrics we must most helpful when you use about well equipment maintain. There's there's the there's a coursing you study programming you study you must take care if you wanna take care keep the, keep about the equipment that I say about the clump must be fasting direction on the workplace. You must careful for your workplace when you welding. So yes, of the welding, our opening spark may be trouble fair. If you welding here, then can't burn and drawbacks. You must protect when you welding. So it is very important when we when we welding. Yes, solution on the sweater or the wedding. Solution we must take care. We must say says to this one picture. If you are a welder, you must prepare if the brand if the burn on the place you weld. So I can share you about the signals. Then a square put the joint. Then formula we square the outside corner we can folding here. We can folding here. V W or S. Then from the flat. And shoot the from flat. Set the OT. When we welding, we abandon west cast iron, white cast iron, and a low steel wrought iron, low and alloy steel, carbon, stainless steel, copper, brass, and bronze, aluminum, and lead and metal. So this time you almost taking care for the welding. So the content is sweat calling her. Join with a smaller diameter is sweat yes, then the content then her here here here. So this is about an example. You can it's a here. Yes. So here. So you can sweat here. This is a solution for you. Yes, sir. So, they stainless steel. We sweat we can sweat we can we can well carbon the metal. Modern steel there are also 400 series is iron sulfonium low carbon being treated where children lower must be. So you can open the solution double stainless. So then her then her then this is corrosion attack that persists sham rest over the entire strongly corrosion. Then the attack adjustment grain. Then a petty corrosion. Then a greasy corrosion. Then a stress corrosion crush. We have under then a stainless wise graph stainless natural chip patching to the stainless. If you are welding, you must have a color.
Vamos.
Yes, but I think that is very important for we are welding. We must color. So it's very 60. You understand what I mean? So we must take care of it. So thank you for watching. Then
Take the ball.
or then space weekend they cannot be taller. Then a tool, then a visual in the spectre after welding have been completed also.
Titta på alla djuren!
The formula PR PCR PF PER. Yes, you understand about the welding master basically. Yes, you can learn with me about this. LCC HTC electrode air and a thick welding. Yes, thank you for watching. Thank you for understand about safety and safety security for your workplace and the weather. Well, the thank you for watching.